Hello and welcome. Our world is a tapestry woven with wonder and profound mystery. We often overlook the extraordinary truths that shape our reality, truths stranger than fiction. The elements in our bodies were forged in ancient stars, and history's timelines hide surprising connections. Did you know Cleopatra lived closer to the iPhone than to the Great Pyramids? Or that you're made of stardust? These aren't just trivia, they change how we see ourselves. The line between science and magic is often just what we haven't learned yet. So, get ready to explore 20 astonishing facts that will change how you see the world. Let's begin. Almost every atom in your body, the carbon, oxygen, and iron, was forged in the heart of a long-dead star. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the invention of the smartphone than to the building of the Great Pyramids. Your brain contains 86 billion neurons, forming a network more intricate than the entire internet. The brain is the fattiest organ in your body, relying on essential fatty acids like omega-3 for health. Octopuses pump copper-rich blue blood with 3 hearts, and when they swim, their main heart stops beating. Botanically, bananas are true berries, but strawberries, despite their name, aren't berries at all. Every thought and feeling is powered by just 20 watts of electricity, the glow of a dim light bulb. 7,000 years ago, the Sahara was a lush green landscape filled with lakes and rivers. In Britain, a human brain was naturally preserved for over 2,500 years inside its skull. In 1848, Phineas Gage survived a metal rod through his skull, forever changing our understanding of the brain. Archaeologists have found honey in Egyptian tombs still edible after 3,000 years. Your brain's frontal lobe, responsible for decision-making, doesn't fully mature until your mid-20s. Mirror therapy can trick the brain, helping amputees relieve phantom limb pain. The observable universe contains more stars than all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish can revert its cells to a juvenile state, achieving biological immortality. On a clear dark night, the human eye can spot a candle flame from 30 miles away. One lightning bolt carries enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. California's Methuselah bristlecone pine is over 4,800 years old, older than the pyramids. In Microsoft's anechoic chamber, silence is so complete you can hear your own blood, and your brain may start to hallucinate. Each time you recall a memory, your brain subtly rewrites it, changing the story with every telling. Our journey ends, but wonder never does. We've seen our cosmic connections, the fluidity of time, and the mysteries within our own minds. From ancient trees to immortal jellyfish, these facts remind us there's always more to discover. The world is an endless library of questions. Adventure lies in seeking answers. If you learned something new, like, subscribe, and share which fact surprised you most in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep questioning everything.